You can pick icons, like these are the icons. You can copy certain icons and post it or add it to your creatives to make it more attractive. Okay, so like this. This is an attractive pyramid, whatever you want to add to it. Okay, the pure, sorry, altogether a fresh one you can create either with Canva or pixel art, video from Potules, and GIFs from it. Okay, but you should have a concept, you should have a content to write. It's not just you can't start blank. You have to think before it before typing, creating content. Okay, about the concept, what is the objective of the campaign is. Based on that, you select content, you select different things on that. Okay. So is that part clear? How to create content? I can't give you tutorials to all these tools. Okay, except Fortunes, which is a part of our course content. Otherwise, I can't give you tutorials, but these tools are super easy to use. And if you are facing any issue, you just type that tool, and these tutorials are available. Like if I want an pixelar tutorial, so this website itself has given you enough tutorials. Okay, this website has given you enough tutorials how to do it. So you don't have to like really worried about how I will do it and all. Every single tutorial, and each one is around 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So if you spend around 40, 50 hours with, not 40, 50 hours, almost 10 hours with the tool, you will be ready. Like I got it ready with Pixlr in approximately spending 7 to 10 hours with it. And then I am able to create it. A lot of stuff. And not this only pixel editor tutorial in Hindi also. So there are a lot of people who have given tutorials on it. Okay, so you don't have to be like somebody should spoon food feed, spoon feed you, but you can use these tutorials. That is how, because today you are attending a training, tomorrow you will not be attending a training. So what you will be doing is you will be using these tutorials for any upcoming thing. So you should get into a practice of how any tool which you came across, how to use it. Okay, this is how I have learned, and this is how you have to learn it. There is no other way. And once you learn it, it's not keep that information with you. You can share your own experience in the form of video tutorials with other people. That is what I generally do it. A lot of people other do it. Okay. And if you want to get a new uh, alternative to this tool, let's suppose you have exhausted all the videos or the images. Okay, on free pick, you want to download it from other ways. So you just simply type that brand with along with the alternative word. Okay, then there are a lot of people who have curated a lot of listing for use, which you can use. Like Pixabay uh, is a good option to get stock free images. Then rest I don't know. Pixel is a good option to use images to get images. So there are hundreds and hundreds of websites which you can refer to, and there are huge free resources available. Okay, so you don't have to worry about, like we were searching searching organic vegetables, you can search over here also. You'll get a complete different set of images. Look at this. You can type your brand name here. That's all. Okay. So you get a lot of free images, a different set of images. Like over there was different set. Over here, it's a different set. So there is a huge free resources available. You don't have to worry a lot. A lot of people worried, ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा. This is how it is done. Okay. Any questions related to content? Shiva Krishna says, is there any copyright issue on these images? No. As we were on Pixelar, oh sorry, we were on some which site? Free pick. You have selected the royalty-free images, so there is no issue at all. Okay, select royalty-free images, download and use them. Over here also, if you click, okay, it gives you a free download option. So there is no issues at all. These are free images. Okay. Any question, guys? How to create content? How to use which tools you have to work on to create that content? Shiva Krishna, it's clear. Ranjana, Sudhanshu, it's all clear. Okay. Now let's come back from content creation to Facebook marketing. Okay. In Facebook marketing, we will learn. Okay. When I say content, the pieces which I have talked about is same for all. Okay. The pieces of content marketing, organic marketing, which I have talked about, is same for Instagram, is same for LinkedIn, it's same for Facebook. Okay. Whichever kind of platform is like Instagram accept images, they don't accept links. So that is a certain change. Okay. So we will not talk about each the same set of things for platform wise. I have told you how social media content consumption is in all the platforms. Okay, like TikTok only accepts content in video. So that doesn't mean that your whole process will change. Just instead of producing other form of content, you will produce all the content in video for TikTok. Okay, so organic remains the same, just the format keeps on changing. On Instagram, everything is about images and videos. On TikTok, it's just about videos. On Facebook, you can put all type of content. On Twitter, it is more of text, less of other things. Okay, so that is the uniqueness of each platform. Then you will transfer your content into that format. Okay, nothing else. But for sure, on every platform, video works the best. Okay. So let's go ahead. How many of you have a Facebook page or know how to create a Facebook page? Aditya has, Shiva Krishna no, Ranjana yes, Sudhanshu don't know. Okay. Chaitanya don't know, Aditya don't know. Okay. How to create a Facebook page is very simple. Click on any page, Facebook page. Okay. And over. Mm, Give me a second. Yeah, Facebook page for business I'm talking about. Guys, one more thing before I go ahead is there are two things on Facebook. One is a Facebook account. Okay, and the second thing is Facebook page. Third thing is Facebook Third thing is Facebook groups. Okay, all these three are different things. Facebook profile is for individuals. Okay, then pages for brands and groups uh, for all the people who can form the groups. Okay, for individuals or associations, they can create the books. Sorry, uh, mm, can create the groups. Sorry. Okay, so let's say I open a page. Again, I'm opening bivox.com. Okay, open any page where you are not the admin of it. Okay, then it will show you an option create a page. Click on that create a page. For those who don't know how to create it, okay, so there are two options in Facebook. Uh, then that is either you are a brand or a business, or you are a community or public figure. So let's say I am going to create a page for community. Okay. I created a community, let's say Indian against Chinese product. This is what I was thinking in the morning. So let me create that page. Uh, India against Chinese products. What this group is all about. Category is social kind of service. Okay, social or mm, country. No, it's not a clubhouse. It's a it's a community. Okay, primarily that all Indians should start discarding the products. Okay, or you can say category as awareness also. Yes, it could be, but there is no such category. Okay, so awareness is not a category. So Indian should, I have a strong feeling this 2020 is the time that Indian should start discarding the products. I'm just take 2 minutes of the training time and put my agenda over here with this community or public figure is that primarily because as China is leading everything and it is creating an aura against India and trying to dominate is we can also do that by discarding the product. So I've seen a simple video which says that you can't discard the product in a single go. What you can start with is today. You can discard all the in 1 month. You can start discarding all the software apps which are made by Chinese companies, like their Chinese social media channel, that is TikTok, their all their softwares like MI Community, MI Support, MI. That was the type of app in my phone. I have seen one link of an app that helps you to uninstall those apps. I will share that on a WhatsApp group to you. And then in a month, if you get discarded them, the revenue of Chinese companies from India in terms of software is approximately uh, 30 billion approx. So in a month, we can reduce that 30 billion going from India to China. We can stop it directly in a month. So you can think of how much we can stop. So one control you have in your hand is your money. Okay, your software which you are using. So that thing, if you can do it, that weakens their economy. First thing, second, in an year, not a final finished product should be not made from China. So you can start discarding those products. Like I bought MI 7 or 8. What this phone is, I can't remember. It was 7 or 8 MI. Okay. So in next 1 year, I will not buy any Chinese finished product. Okay. Although Apple is also made in China and it's written made in China, but the maximum revenues goes to the US company, not an Chinese company, because they are just manufacturing it. So whole earning is with an American company. If you can find an Indian company, it's always good. But if not an Indian company, then any other country's company, not Chinese company. So you start discarding those products in 1 to 2 years. Like I was buying an AC, I stopped buying an AC which is of Chinese company, and now I'm thinking of buying a Tata product, which is Tata Voltage. It's not a very great product, but they will start building great products if we keep buying from them. Okay, as the revenue improves, and they will ultimately build those products. So that way, and in 5 years, we can 5 to 7 years, all the internal products, all these small components which are manufactured in China, if we can manufacture in India or outside China, we will use that. So we will stop using that. And next phase, parallel phase would be stop buying from products from those companies who have startups who got their investment from Chinese companies. Okay, so that is what the agenda of this community would be, and we will be having a website also for that. So thinking of that, creating that as well, where the alternatives are mentioned, like Zoom is owned by uh, uh, Zoom is owned by Netherlands company. Okay, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. I have to do the research before say anything. So alternative to each app, which is either created by Indian first priority and second priority by any other company. Okay, so start using that, then alternatives keep on coming. So this site or this group will talk about the alternatives to your daily basic needs, softwares or hardwares or any products. So alternative to that. Sorry, taking my agenda into the training. Okay, so in that, the next thing is to upload the profile picture. Generally, in the case of profile picture, we generally upload the logo. So right now we don't have a logo, so you can create a logo. Okay, logo maker. There are a lot of free logo maker sites through which you can create it. Okay. Thank you, Sudhanshu. Okay, so I will not uninstall Zoom, definitely. Okay, then you can create your own logo for free, I believe. Okay, company name, Justin Bindel. Okay, I'm just showing you how to do it. No tagline, logo type.